Welcome to the 2023 Acura RDX ASpec. Just picked this up the other day. So far, we like it. It's a good looking car. Sold our 2015 for this one. It's our third RDX, we like them. Still quick walk around. "20-inch wheels. Got your LED turn signals. Pretty much LED everything. LED headlights. LED fogs. All of your forward collision sensors and smart cruise control stuff in the front there, in the big A. Alright, let's have a look at the inside. See, it just cleans it up. Interior's pretty nice. Got some suede. Doors. Great sounding stereo, by the way. Wireless charging. USB-C port. All push button for the gear selection. Touchpad for the infotainment system. Here's your screen. Stays there. Does not retract. We'll start this up in a minute. You can see how the gauges look. All right, let's move to the back. Plenty of room. So it looks nice back here. Leather. The Alcantara inserts. Heated and cooled front seats as well. 2 USB-C ports in the back. Got your vents for the air conditioning and heat. We'll show you in a minute when we turn the car on. Got a huge panoramic sunroof. All right, let's open up the back, see how we look back here. I'm gonna do this video all in one take. Ample room back here. Mine did come with the all-weather mat package. So there's plenty of room. Seats go down. So you put both those down, you have more than enough room. Fit your 55-inch TV in here, no problem. Just close that. You can also set your height settings so you don't smack it on the garage. All right, let's have a quick look at the motor. We'll pop the hood real quick, which is right down here, like most cars. Motor hinged, which is good. Still very clean because obviously it's brand new. 272 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque. Doesn't sound like a whole lot, but the torque does come on low, so it is more than enough power. Feels pretty quick on the highway as well. All right, let's start this thing up. We'll have a quick look at the gauge package and the screen. Let's see, we got a nice flat bottom steering wheel with the A-spec. Foot on the brake, engine button. Tell this is my wife's car. This is definitely not my type of music. Nice big screen. There's the touchpad. Just swipe up and down. You can see, just like a mouse, you just kind of swipe it around. Auto stop start if you don't like that. Turn that off. Good. Let's see what we have in here. Decent amount of room. In between the wash club, take care of it. Pretty good space in here, like that. It's a nice little hand rest, actually. It's pretty comfortable. Pretty comfy steering wheel as well. Tons of things you could do on there that we're going to get to in our next video. These are the sport gauges that I've set. So show sport all the time. You can do that in your settings down here. It'll be a bit tough to see, but that's all of your parking sensors, automatic parking brake, traction control, all that good stuff. Programmable seats. Same speakers as all around. Nice aluminum. Auto up and down. Adjustable mirrors, of course. You can see we got aluminum pedals. So here's your modes. So we can change it. What you gotta do is spin this button. Get that alert. Normal.
Oh no, it was definitely a thing.
Comfort. Snow.
They even took it one step further and they gave you a platinum pass.
So yeah, it's pretty good. We like it. So we'll just end the video now. Again, this is just the first walk around. You can see there's 176 miles, so it's only been a week. But in any case, the first 176 miles have been quite enjoyable. So we'll do a more in-depth video, maybe a 3-month review of how everything's going, any problems, how we really like it. So don't forget, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.